Hello everyone, this printer is HP DeskJet Plus 4100 series. What I want to do is to show you how to scan documents from this printer to your computer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected to the same network. And we're going to scan using HP Smart App or HP app. To scan your document, stick the document face down, close the scanner. From the HP Smart App, select Scan, go to the side and select Glass Scanner or Auto Dictate. Auto Dictate means you can scan from ADF or scan from Glass Scanner. Wherever you put the document, the printer will detect it. It's currently in Glass Scanner, and preset is Document. You can scan photo as well, but currently we selected Document. What we're scanning is Document, and scan the entire area. Output is Color. You can select A4 if you want to scan only A4, or you scan the entire area. If you want it to be a lot bigger, scan the entire area. And also, output is Color. If you scroll down, you select Grayscale if you want to scan black. So it's currently in color. And resolution, the maximum is 1200 dpi. It's currently in 300 dpi. You can select Preview for you to have a look at the document. If you are happy with it, then you select Scan. But in this case, we want to select Scan straight. So select Scan. If you change your mind, you select Cancel, or you cancel it from the laptop. This is the document we scanned. If you want to scan the second one, open up the glass scanner and stick the document you want to scan face down. Then the next thing to do is to scan the second page. Then you select Add on top. Add. Then you select the same features. Then you select Scan. So you can do this as many as you like. The next thing, if you want to save the document, then you select Save. You will see Print, Save, and Share. So select Save, select PDF, give the document name, and select PDF. Select Save. Then the document will go to OneDrive, but you can decide where you want to save the document. I want to save it in the document section. Then you select Save. And it's also PDF. You can give the document name, type the name of the document that you want to call it, then you select PDF, then select Save. Your file has been saved. If you want to print it out, then you select Print. Make sure you select correct printer. I want to print this portrait. The size of the paper is A4, one photo per page. Plain paper, go to More Settings, Print on both sides, select Print on both sides, then you select OK, then select Print. So we're going to print this document on both sides. Now the next thing to do is you take this document, stick it back, then select Continue. This is the document we printed out on both sides. You also have option for you to share this document to somebody. You select share. You can send it via email to anybody, but you need to put the email address of the person. So this is how to scan document from this printer to your computer, save it to your computer. Likewise, print it out double-sided manually. Thank you very much indeed.